In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best DJ controllers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the DJ controllers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the DJ controllers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, DJ Controller Mixer Audio Sound Mixing Table. This professional DJ controller mixer is the ultimate tool for audio enthusiasts. With an 8-channel configuration, it provides unparalleled control for live mixing and sound production. Ideal for both PC and digital console setups, this versatile piece of equipment is perfect for DJs, audio engineers, and content creators. Its compact yet sturdy design ensures durability while maintaining portability for on-the-go use. This mixer offers a seamless user experience with high-quality audio output, making it an excellent choice for professionals and beginners alike. Whether you're mixing tracks, recording sessions, or managing live sound, this console elevates your audio performance. Number 4. Debra Audio Mixer DJ Controller Sound Mixing Stereo R4/R6. The Debra Audio Mixer DJ Controller is designed for superior sound mixing and recording. With its 99 DSP effects, 48V phantom power, and 6.5mm outputs, this mixer supports high-quality audio processing. Its Type-C sound card integration ensures compatibility with modern PCs for live mixing and recording. Perfect for DJs and live performers, it delivers exceptional clarity and reliability. Its compact form factor and intuitive controls make it user-friendly, while the advanced features cater to professionals seeking precision in their audio setups. Number 3, Audio Mixer 99 DSP Stereo DJ Controller R4/R6. This multifunctional audio mixer combines 99 DSP effects with stereo capabilities to produce crisp, clear sound. Designed with a 6.5mm output and Type-C sound card interface, it caters to live mixing and PC recording seamlessly. Whether you're a professional DJ, podcaster, or musician, this mixer ensures flexibility and quality in every session. Its robust build and versatile connectivity make it a standout tool for studio or live performances. Number 2, New V4/V8 Audio Interface Mixer DJ Controller. The V4/V8 Audio Interface Mixer is a cutting-edge DJ controller featuring Bluetooth connectivity and USB support. It boasts 48V phantom power and innovative delay/replay effects, making it ideal for recording live performances. Designed for use with computers, it provides seamless integration and powerful sound output. Its compact size, combined with professional-grade features, makes it perfect for both amateurs and seasoned professionals looking to enhance their audio projects. Number 1, TEYUN DJ Controller Mixer 6-Way Audio Console. The TEYUN DJ Controller Mixer is a professional-grade, 6-way audio mixing console designed for precision and portability. Perfect for consumer electronics and video production, it ensures top-quality sound performance. Lightweight yet durable, this mixer is easy to transport, making it a reliable companion for DJs, sound engineers, and video creators. With its high-performance capabilities, this console is perfect for studio recordings, live performances, and multimedia projects.